Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful Ghibli style images for free using Bing Image Creator. I'll walk you through each step and even add a bit of background on the style, but the focus is on practical steps. Let's jump right in. Studio Ghibli films are known for their dreamy landscapes and warm magical characters. Today, we'll create images featuring a man and a girl in that same style. We're using Bing Image Creator because it's free and really easy to use. If you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry, it's free to sign up. First, open your web browser and go to bing.com/create. This is where you'll type in your prompts and see the magic happen. You might be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is just to get started. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a simple text box where we can type our prompts. Before we generate our images, let me explain a bit about Ghibli style. It's all about soft pastel colors, dreamy lighting, and a touch of magic in everyday scenes. When writing your prompt, include keywords like magical, dreamy, or whimsical, along with clear subjects. Today, we're focusing on a man and a girl. This way, the AI knows exactly what kind of characters to create in that iconic style. Let's start with our first prompt. In the text box, type a man and a girl walking through a lush green field under a soft pastel sky with magical lights, Ghibli style. Here is our first result. Notice the soft colors and the magical lighting that make it look like a scene straight out of a Ghibli movie. The man and the girl look gentle and natural. If you like what you see, you can save it. If not, we can adjust the prompt a bit more. Let's try a new prompt to get a slightly different style. This time, type a man and a girl sitting on a small hill in a quiet village with soft sunlight and gentle mist, Ghibli style. Sometimes you might want to add even more detail. Let's add a bit extra to our scene. Type this full prompt. A man and a girl sitting on a small hill in a quiet village with soft sunlight, gentle mist, and a clear blue sky, surrounded by blooming flowers, Ghibli style. Notice how we've added clear blue sky and blooming flowers to bring more life into the image. Once you're happy with the image, click the download button to save it to your computer. I recommend using a free editor like Photopea or Canva if you want to make any small changes. For example, you might crop the image or adjust the brightness to enhance that dreamy look. To recap, we learned how to use Bing Image Creator to make Ghibli-style images featuring a man and a girl. I explained a bit about the style, showed you how to write good prompts, and even how to add extra details. Now it's your turn. Experiment with your own ideas and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.